everyone, this is Alada. Today I will be sharing the significance of Eka Visanti Patra Puja. Every year we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi on Bhadrapada Suddha Chavati. A part of this celebration, people perform Eka Visanti Patra Puja. Eka Visanti means 21 and Patra means leaves. In this puja, people offer 21 different kinds of leaves to Lord Ganesha. There is a great significance behind it. Leaves which used for the puja have great medicinal values. Ganesh Chaturthi falls on rainy season. This time, diseases spread faster. When people use these leaves for puja, they touch, they smell, they breathe the air around them, which purifies our body. Those leaves are Machi Patram. The botanical name for Machi Patram is Artemisia vulgaris. This grows very easily all across the globe. They have so much medicinal properties. These leaves help cure the nerve-related problems, stomach-related problems and headaches. It also helps to ease the dry mouth and increase appetite. The second one is Bruhati Patram. The botanical name for Bruhati Patram is Solanum anthrocarpum. This plant grows wild or on open lands. This grows very close to ground levels and bears thorny leaves and bitter fruits with thorny pods. It bears purple and yellow color flowers. This plant leaves are used to treat cough, heavy breathing and mucus. Fruits are used to treat teeth infections. The third type of leaf is Bilvapatram. The botanical name for Bilvapatram is Aegle marmelos. These leaves are used in the worship of Lord Shiva. The three-foliated form of leaves symbolize the trident that Shiva holds in his right hand. Researchers have found that essential oil of Bilva tree to be effective against 21 types of bacteria. It is prescribed for smooth bowel movement to patients suffering from constipation and other gastrointestinal problems. The fourth type of leaf is Durvara yugmam. The botanical name for Durvara yugmam is Cynodon dactylon. Durvara yugmam is also known as Bermuda grass. This grass improves digestion, cures stomach ailments. This is alkalinite in nature and rich in chlorophyll. It controls the skin diseases. The fifth leaf we use is Datura. The botanical name of Datura is Datura stramonium. All parts of Datura is highly poisonous. It is used to treat hydrophobia, syphilis, smallpox, mumps and leprosy. The sixth leaf is Badhripatram. The botanical name of Badhripatram is Zuzuvus martenia. This is a thorny tree with tasty fruits. Fruits of this tree help to develop the appetite. It helps body to develop immune towards cuts and brushes. The seventh type of leaf is Apamarga patramu. The botanical name of Apamarga patramu is Acaranthus aspera. Stomach pains, indigestion and for lot of skin eczemas can be cured with these leaves. Also used in making tooth powder. The eighth type of leaf is Tulsi. The botanical name of Tulsi is Ocimum santamum. Tulsi is a shrub. It promotes healthy heart. Holy basil contains such as antioxidants, eugenol, which protect the heart from the harmful radicals. It is also useful for cold and cough. The ninth type of leaf is Chuta patramu. The botanical name for this is Mangifera indica. Common name for this is mango leaf. These leaves seem to possess good antiseptic properties. The 10th leaf is Carvirapatram. The botanical name for Carvirapatram is Nerium oleander. This is also known as Ganneru. The scattered flowers bloom in the clusters at the end of each branch. This is one of the most poisonous of commonly grown garden plants. Despite the danger, oleander is a great medicinal importance and used for heart conditions, asthma, cancer, indigestion. The 11th type of leaf is Vishnukranthapatram. The botanical name for Vishnukranthapatram is Evolvus alcedinus. It is a herb. Vishnukrantha is a plant of great significance in Ayurveda. It is used as a drug which enhances memory and intelligence. It has also been used to cure bladders and urethra-related diseases. The 12th type of leaf is Dharmi Patram. The botanical name of Dharmi Patram is Punica granatum. Common name for this tree is pomegranate. These trees are mainly grown for their fruits. The shell or membrane of the fruit is very bitter and is dried and preserved to make a tea. For stomach disorders, seeds of this fruit is high in iron content and other minerals and vitamins. The 13th type of leaf is Devadaru. The botanical name of Devadaru is Cedrus deodara. This tree possesses a lot of medicinal qualities. It helps reduce the body heat, also treats skin diseases and chronic wounds. Reasons of cedrus used in producing aromatic smokes. 14th type of leaf is Maruvaka Patram. The botanical name of Maruvaka is Origanum marjoram. This is a herb. It has aromatic leaves. This plant's essential oils are used for treating joint pains and perfume preparations. The 15th type of leaf is Sindhuvara Patramu. The botanical name of Sindhuvara Patramu is Vitex nigundo. Paste of these leaves apply on the forehead to reduce sinus problems. Flowers of this plant help to control corolla and liver related problems. The 16th type of leaf is Jaji Patram. The botanical name of Jaji Patram is Jasminum grandiflorum. This is a creeper with white flowers. Flowers have a strong smell. Jasmine has been used for liver diseases. 17th type of leaf is Gandhaki Patram. The botanical name is Stracula uranus. The juice of the plant is used for ulcers and other skin diseases. For treating asthma, the juice of the plant's root is used. The fruits are used as tonic, laxative, appetite stimulant, and for treating asthma and excessive thirst. Traditionally, the plant is used to treat tuberculosis. The 18th type of leaf is Shami Patram. The botanical name of Shami Patram is Prosopis spicigera. Shami is a tree. People believe that goddess Aprajita Devi lived in it. The 19th type of leaf is Ashwatha Patram. The botanical name of Ashwatha Patram is Fucus religiosa. It is also known as a peepal tree. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment while meditating underneath a Fucus religiosa tree. Fucus religiosa is used in traditional medicines about 50 types of disorders, including asthma, diabetes, diarrhea, gastro problems, influenza disorders, and sexual disorders. 20th leaf is Arjun Patra. The botanical name of Arjun Patra is Terminella arjuna. It is a tree. These leaves were introduced into Ayurveda as a treatment for heart diseases. It has the capability to even reduce heart failures. The 21st type of leaf is Arka-patram. The botanical name of Arka-patram is Calotropis procera. Arka is also known as Jilledu in Telugu. Root bark is useful in cough, cold and constipation. The leaves of this plant are used to treat leprosy, paralysis and 64 different diseases. The main aim of this video is to make you understand the medicinal values of few plants. Thank you one and all.